Hello students, welcome to Reddy's classes, and I hope all your school classes also have been online and your first unit also might have been completed or might have started, right? Let's start the first story of the English language, that is 1.2. The story name is The Thief Story. What do you mean by thief also have stories? Of course, every thief has a story, and every man has a story, every woman has a story, even overall, because we all have stories, right? Our personal life itself is a story. Now, this story is about human values and relationships. This story focuses on human values and relationships. Now, before going to this, I'll just ask you, what do you mean by a thief? A thief. Thief is a person who steals things of others, property or money or cash, property, money or some property or belongings like mobile phones or money from others, just like acting as a friend. He stays beside you, but he steals something, right? So the act of stealing something from someone is called theft, and a person who does this theft is called a thief, right? Now, this story focuses, right? So the act of theft, one who conducts this theft is called a thief. Now, this story focuses on human values and beautiful relationships between human beings. I would like to say that this story, one side it looks like knowing about a thief, somebody comes to your house, your friends for example, and they steal money from your pocket or from your boxes in the classrooms. Do you like him then? You never like him, right? But if the same person, he tells you in the evening, hey buddy, I took your money in the morning from your bag. See, I'm so sorry, please take it back. I'm not feeling well, I'm not feeling good. Then you really like him, right? Because he had understood that you are a good friend. So आपको hurt नहीं करना चाहते, so आपका पैसा वापस कर दिया. तो वो thief कैसा बन जाएगा? वो changed person, right? अगर हम अच्छा values दिखाए तो हम किसी को भी change कर सकते. If we show better human values and good relationships, you can change any person in this world, right? This story is about that, and the story was written by The Thief Story, written by Ruskin Bond, right? Born in 1934, and he's an Indian author, but he was born to British parents, that is descent, but he was adopted by an Indian family, and he used to live in Missouri, or some people, South Indians call as Missouri, and others call as Missouri, right? And the Indian Council for Research for Children's Education, because this man, Ruskin Bond, I'll tell you, right from my childhood, I see number of books written by a number of books, poems, and lots of all children's stories. So, the government of India, the children education department recognized this man's valuable services and children's stories and gave him Padma Shri Award also in 1999. Later, he was given Padma Bhushan Award also in 2014. Right? He has given valuable contribution to children's stories and making them happy with his amazing collection of stories. Now let's go back to the story now. So this story is it's a very sensitive story, and I just talk about, I don't want to read this and tell, I'm going to read it, but let me tell the story in wholesome, that this story is about a 15-year-old thief called Hari Singh. Of course, even this was not his real name. This boy, right from several years, 2-3 years ago, he started stealing things. First he goes to a man and he asks for a job, and after getting the job he will stay there and he will watch everything, and after working for few months, 2 or 3 months or 4 months, one day he will observe the money somewhere and he will steal the money and he will run away from the house. And he will go to another place, and there this boy changes his name. Every month this boy changes his name, because the previous owner, if he gives complaint, for example, last time if he says his name is Vishal, right, and he runs away, so the police searches for him, because in those days there was no internet and all these things, right? So how to catch? No Aadhaar cards, not even. This story was as it was written in 1950s and 60s, right? So he used to go to other place, change his name. So the previous owner complains against this boy on the name of Vishal. So they come to other city, but this boy he changes his place from one village to other village, and he changes his name every month and tries to find a job with a new owner, with a new employer. right? There also again after 1 month he observes, he will try to impress them, attract them, and then one day he steals the money and he run away from that place. So this has become a habitual life for this boy. It has become a habit of life. This is his lifestyle. He lives like this because I work by teaching, your father works by liking a job, by doing a job, and others do something. But this boy, 15 years old boy, his lifestyle is stealing money from others, and that's why he is a thief. So ऐसा चोरी करते 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 one day he came to a village. In that village, a wrestling competition was going on, WWF, something like WWE, wrestling competition, and he went there. Oh, here many people will be there. I can pick the pockets, or I can find an innocent man and I can go to his house and I can make friendship and I will steal his house. With this plan, he is just observing people. People are shouting, wrestling competition is going on. There he saw a man, a 25-year-old man. And slowly he went, he sat beside him, this 15-year-old thief went and sat beside him and started watching the competition. After some time, that 25-year-old man saw this young boy, thief boy, and he looked at him, they both smiled at each other. Then immediately, this boy started talking, because I told you that he's a thief, so he has to make a relationship with this man now. So he's, excuse me, I think you like this wrestling. Yeah, do you like to? Yes, I like very much, sir. Oh, really? Sir, you also look like a wrestler. That Anil also said that, oh, you also look like, so you do so, look like, just like a wrestler. Then actually, I am very thin. In the entire story, the story is told by the thief himself. The writer, the narrator, the story writer made one of the characters, made the thief to talk to us. So wherever you find I, here I means the thief. I is the narrator. One who explains the story is called the narrator, and here the person who explained the story to us is the thief himself is talking to us about his story. Right? So he said, yes sir, I like wrestling, and they both talked and friendship and wrestling competition over, and Anil, the 25-year-old gentleman, young man was going to house, and this boy also started following him, this 15-year-old thief. And after going to some distance, he said, hello sir, I think you look like a wrestler, you like it very much. Yes, I look like a wrestler, but boy, you also look like a wrestler. In fact, I was very thin, he says. I was very thin. Then as the friendship started, sir, if you don't mind, can you give me a job? Then Anil said, see man, I don't have proper income, so I can't pay you. Right? But immediately he said, can you feed me, sir? Sir, at least मेरे को आपके घर पे रह के खाना दे सकते क्या? Can you cook? Again that man asked. Yes sir, I can cook. Actually, I don't know how to cook. I means here who? The thief is telling. I don't know, because he is telling to you. Right? I don't know how to cook, but I simply spoke lies. Yes sir, I know cook. So you can come to me. I will arrange you groceries and provisions, but you can cook the food for me every day. I went to Anil's house. He lives on above the Jamna sweet shop. Right, somewhere in the nearby Lucknow city. Nearby city is Lucknow. In the village there is Jamna sweet shop. Above the sweet shop, this guy Anil's room is there. He took me there. The room was scattered here and there. It's a small room, and he has a balcony and some facilities and some utensils to cook, and there is a small kitchen as well. Of course, there are basic facilities. Then Anil said, this is your house, now you can stay here. And I am going to teach you how to read and write from tomorrow onwards, how to read and how to write, and also how to add numbers, so that you can, in future, you can find a job somewhere, you can go and work. So no need to depend on me or someone else. Then I will, oh, what a nice man he is. He is believing me, he is trusting me. ऐसे trust करना है ना. अगर मेरे ऊपर जितना विश्वास से रहते, उतना easy उसका घर में मेरे को चोरी करना. It's so easy. The more he trusts me, the more easy it is for me to steal the money from his house. So I'm going to wait for a chance in his house. दिन जा रहे थे every day. But you know how this man lives? Anil lives without any job, but he is a writer. He writes some articles in some magazines, newspapers, India Times, Lokmat Times. ऐसे newspapers में छोटा-छोटा news articles लिख के जीते थे. Right? He used to get a queer income, unsteady income, queer, unsteady income, irregular income. Right? So somewhere he is meeting. Whenever, sometimes he borrow money from others, sometimes if he has money, he lend money to others. He takes from others or he lend to others when he has money. Like this, I saw his life very closely, right? He doesn't have much money, but he sells his magazines and articles. So right? So I just talking about that, how he is to earn money. I said he has a queer source of income. Queer means irregular source of income. But I went and observed the house. The very first day, I told you, right? I told Mr. Anil that I am a good cook. I know how to cook food. But when I went there, on the first day, I know what I made. I made such a dirty dish. He could not eat. Finally, he gave the food to dogs, street dogs. And he asked me to go off-road and eat something. But he was lying without any food on that night. Next, I was just helpless. But when he looks at me, you said you're going to, you know how to cook. But अब तुमको cooking नहीं आते क्या? तो मैं क्या करूँ? I know only one thing. I always try to impress people with an appealing smile. Try to impress them with smile, right? So as usually, I try to give an appealing kind of face gesture that, and he could not control his laughter. Right? Anyway, he just patted me and said, nothing to worry, I'll teach you how to cook tomorrow, he said. So the first day went on. The days are passing on. Every day morning, Mr. Anil, the 25-year-old man who gave me shelter in his house, he used to make tea early in the morning. He used to make tea early in the morning. So after having tea, I used to start the housework, sorting, cleaning, and then cutting vegetables and making food for him. And every day he used to give me some money, and I used to go to shops and bring some groceries and provisions. And if it cost 20 rupees, I would cut 1 rupee and I would steal 1 rupee every day, and I used to keep in my pocket. He never knew that because he was careless man. Mr. Anil Kumar is a careless man because he trusts me. So this is a nice chance, and every day I am waiting for a chance to steal big amount of money. Days were passing on. He started teaching me numbers. He started teaching me alphabets and how to read and write. Slowly things were going on, right? And the only source of income. But inside me, who am I? I am a thief, right? And what name he told? My name is Hari Singh. But in fact, that was also his false name, right? Because he keeps changing this boy every month, I said earlier, right? So the days passed on. And this Anil Kumar, who gave shelter to him, Mr. Anil, one day he brought a tuck of money. This was a bundle of money, notes, currency notes. Then I saw him. Wow, lot of money he brought, my master. Then, while coming inside, I said, today I sold my book to a publisher and I got lot of money. And he thought I am not watching. So he kept that money, he tucked that money under the bed mattress. Right? Gadi रहते ना हम सोने वाला गादा. उसके गदी के नीचे वो ऐसा छुपा के रख दिया. Because he doesn't care. He trusts me. वो कबाड़ में रख के लॉक नहीं किया. Because he simply kept under the mattress. Right? So, गादी के नीचे रख दिया because he trusts me. He thinks that I am a normal boy, but I am a thief inside me. Then I thought, after a long time of 1 month, 2 months, now I got a big chance to show my talent, that how I steal money from people who trust me. जिससे मेरे जो लोग मेरे ऊपर बहुत विश्वास करते, उन लोग से चोरी करके बहुत दिन हो गया, तो आज मेरा मैजिक दिखाऊंगा मैं कितना अच्छा थीफ हूं. ऐसा सोच के he was waiting for the chance. Night हो गया, it was cool, and from balcony the window is kept open. At night everyone was sleeping at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Then he thought that अगर मैं चोरी किया, if I steal money from this man, at 10:30 there is an express to Lucknow. There is a train, 10:30 express train to Lucknow, so I can run to Lucknow and I can go. Right? And then he was waiting. He was acting like sleeping night time. He was sleeping on the floor and Master Anil was sleeping on the bed. It was 9 or something around. Everybody sleeps in those days a bit early, right? So I was waiting for the chance. When my Master Anil was sleeping in a deep sleep, then I slowly crawled up and kept my hand under the bed and I took out, while I was taking the money, suddenly Anil turned this side. I felt his breath. I was startled, suddenly alarmed and surprised. But he did not open his eyes. I slowly removed my hand, got that bundle of money, currency notes, and slowly I opened the door. How did I open the door? When the keys are with him? Anil sir gave me an extra key because he trusts me a lot. He trusts me a lot. So I opened the door, slowly closed the door, and I was in pajamas and some normal shirt, and I ran towards the station. I ran towards the station, and it was almost all 10:30. The train is on the platform, about to start. Then the train started. So I didn't take the ticket because the train started. So I went running towards the train. I was about to get into the train. ऐसा मैं 1 मिनट में, ऐसे 1 सेकंड में ट्रेन के अंदर जाने वाले थे. लेकिन suddenly I don't know, I stopped. I hesitated to go. जाने के लिए कुछ तो मेरे को hesitation आया था. No, shall I go? Shall I run away? Shall I take this money? He doesn't know what to do. So I stepped back, I didn't enter, and the train went away. Now no chance. So I came outside the station. I took at the bundle. Before that also I checked it. It was 600 rupees. In 1960s, 1950s, 600 rupees is not an ordinary amount, right? He thought that I can live like an Arab sheikh. Arab countries के गल्फ में शेख लोग रहते हैं ना, I can live like that for 1 week or 2 weeks like a rich man. He counted. But he didn't enter the train because something stopped him. Something stopped him, students. Human values, relationships. Human values. Anil trusted me. Anil looked me like a brother. Anil had a relationship with me like his own brother. He started teaching me how to read and write. He started teaching me how to add numbers. He started giving me food. He taught me how to cook. He trusted me. Every day I stole. I was stealing 1 rupee every day, but he didn't notice it. He was careless because he trusted me. How can I trust? Because इससे पहले मैं बहुत लोग के पास चोरी किया. I had stolen money from many people, from greedy people, from rich people, right, and from poor people also. When I stolen money, right, whenever I had stolen money from a greedy man, he felt fear. When he had shown fear, when I had stolen money from a rich man, he expressed his anger. When I had stolen from a poor man, he was just detached. He says that it's my fate. He was showing his acceptance. Poor people always show, क्या करेंगे, हमारा नसीब है, पैसे गया, right? Poor people say like that because they won't go to police station and they can never give complaint because they accept. Okay, वो पैसा हमारा नहीं इसलिए गया. So pathetic, right? So I know these kind of patients, but first time I feel that I am doing mistake. No one, I have never seen anyone like Anil who trusted me a lot. Earlier owners who gave me jobs in their houses and offices and factories, they were never trusted me. So stealing from them was a big enjoyment. But stealing from a man who trusted me is not at all fun for me. Something stops me because his trust on me stopped on me. Now I can't go. I can't go back to him. What to do now? Went outside. It was a chilled December season and the snow started falling in nearby areas of Uttar Pradesh. I told story happened around somewhere in Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh because he said that he want to catch a Lucknow train, right? So we have to imagine like that. So I'm just looking here and there. It was slowly started. The snow falls and my clothes have become wet and my pajama trousers stuck to my skin and I was shivering and I don't want to stay in a hotel at night time because if I go and take a small room in a hotel, then everybody looks at me curiously that who is this young boy having this much of cash. 600 rupees in those days is equal to 60,000 now. You know that the value of the currency in those days, right? Before independence, our 1 rupee is equal to $2. But amazingly now, 75 rupees is equal to $1, guys. Amazing, right? Now let's come back to this. So if I go anywhere, people think that I'm a thief or people look at me curiously or suspiciously. So where to go? He started walking on the road, went to a park, sat on a bench, he's shivering and he decided, no, I have to go back. But how can I face Mr. Anil if I go home? I know what kind of expression he gives. He was not a poor man to show acceptance. He was not a rich man to show anger on me. He was not a greedy man to show fear. But what kind of? He doesn't show anything. I know. If I go back tomorrow to his house early in the morning, he will show only the carelessness. I know he will accept me as a good friend. So, with great strength, I made up my mind. I went back to Anil's house. I went slowly. It was already still dark, morning 4 or 5 o'clock. I slowly opened the door and I went inside, closed the door and slowly crawled on the bed and then removed my clothes and slowly removed that cash. That cash bundle notes was full of, they become wet, damp. Damp means pura गीला हो गया because पानी में था ना, वो snow में था, right, बर्फ में. So they become damp. But I have to keep that. Slowly I took the bundle and kept the notes that I tucked back that bundle notes back under his pillow, that is under the mattress, and came back to my place and slept. I don't know when I went into the deep sleep, but morning at somewhere around 8 or 9, I heard the noise and I got up. I saw Anil was making tea for me. He said that, "Oh, Mr. Hari Singh, get up. This is your tea is ready. I made food for you." And I got up and I shocked and I looked at him. He was expressionless because Anil was behaving very normally. Then I thought he doesn't know that what I did last night in his home. Then when I was taking tea, he came to me. "Hey, you know something? Yesterday, I sold a book and I got a lot of money. I told you, right? So you keep this money with me," because he never gave me salary. And immediately he gave me a 50 rupee note, a big 50 rupee note. I was ashamed of myself. बहुत मेरे को शर्मिंदा लगा कि मैं ऐसा काम क्यों किया. ऐसा बंदा जो मेरे को बहुत ट्रस्ट किया था और सैलरी भी दे रहे थे, फूड भी दे रहे थे इसके ऊपर मेरे को डेली, और 1 रुपी मैं इसे चोरी करके लेते थे, राइट. जब बाजार भेजा मेरे को सामान लाने के लिए, एंड ही ट्रस्ट मी अ लॉट, स्टिल ही ट्रस्ट मी. लेकिन वो नोट जब मैं टच किया, 50 रुपीज नोट, द नोट इज स्टिल वेट, डैम, अभी भी गीला है नोट. सो मैं अंडरस्टैंड किया, अनिल सर को पता चला कल रात में नोट लेके बाहर गए, फिर वापस आके रखा, इसीलिए वो नोट गीला हो गया. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई द नोट्स वर डैम्प, वेट. I was ashamed of myself, but I felt proud. He simply patted. Tomorrow onwards, I will teach you how to read and write perfectly so that you can work. See? So friends, don't behave like me. The human values and relations are important. Relationships are important. So through this character, the entire story was narrated by the thief. Thief खुद अपना स्टोरी बता रहे, वो ऐसा स्टोरी लिखा कि रस्किन बॉन्ड, द thief खुद ये स्टोरी बताते. So what do we understand from this story? The story says, if we have human values, if we show good relationships, right, we can change any person on this earth. So that is why a thief who is a habitual thief, who had stolen here, बहुत जगह पे चोरी किया था, who had stolen in many places, but suddenly changed at one place at Anil's house because Anil had shown human values like a trust and truth and carelessness. He just simply showed that I believe you, right? And relationships. So guys, these things are very important in our life, and please go through this lesson. See, once you know the story, you are from English medium, guys, just read as dialogue by dialogue, and whatever the dialogue I said, they are there here, right? And please understand and participate in the grammatical exercises also. We will send you the worksheets to our students who are already download our app, and you will get all the worksheets and grammar worksheets and answers as well, right? Thank you for watching us. See you in the next session.